Hi, I'm Alaya Chikly, and I want to share with you about my next upcoming class, HCT-DIA, Healing the Pelvic Floor and Integrating Our Sacred Diaphragms. This class is an unusual and a very special and very sensitive journey that we take addressing the pelvic floor. And what I have learned over the last year is how many of us have never been able to access the perineum, the pelvic floor, and the beauty of reproduction and excretion. Somehow we have had a barrier, like a guardian at the gate, that has not allowed us in to be able to access this part of our bodies. And it's cultural, it's planetary, it's spiritual beliefs that have taught us that we should be ashamed or feel guilt about our basic human appetites and desires. And we are here to hold a space to bring deep healing to those beliefs and to our bodies who have suffered from this. So many people have pelvic floor issues, and it's so deep and so shameful that it's unspoken, it's unshared, it's something that everybody seems to be alone in that journey, in that healing of the pelvic floor. So we are going to deeply connect, and then we are going to work and understanding the separation between the upper body, where we feel we're in our hearts and we connect to life, and that disconnect from the lower world, let's call it, where we have been trained or entrained to believe that it's not a safe place to access. And what we are going to do is understand the importance of the pelvic floor, the solar plexus, because the solar plexus is something that has been deeply overlooked. And we will come to understand that there is a break or a disconnection between the solar plexus and the heart. And when we are able to heal this disconnection, we will see how it really frees our respiratory diaphragm. And in that freedom, we are able to balance in a new way all the rest of our diaphragms. It's beautiful, it's important, it's so integrative. And this is a class for men and for women. And believe me, I know that men have also very, very deep issues to be addressed. So we welcome you all, men and women, to Heart-Centered Therapy, HCT-DIA. Thank you.